When you search for portable blenders, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy photos, and the same bold claims. But to really know which ones blend well and which ones don't, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Ninja Blast Portable Blender Denim Blue. First up is the Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender in Denim Blue. Priced at $49.99, it immediately grabs your attention with its sleek design and vibrant color options. If you want a reliable portable blender that truly delivers on blending performance, this is worth a serious look. It has an 18-ounce capacity, which means you can make a decent-sized smoothie or shake in one go. The ribbed vessel helps create a vortex, ensuring everything gets blended smoothly. Plus, it's USB-C rechargeable, allowing you to charge it on the go. With over 13,300 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, many users rave about how easy it is to use and clean. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're commuting or hitting the gym, you'll appreciate that you can blend and sip from the same vessel, thanks to its easy open sip lid. Now, some people complained about the noise level when blending. Here's the thing though, while it can be a bit loud, that just shows the power behind it. If you're blending tough ingredients, a little noise is a small price to pay for a smooth result. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, stylish blender to take on the go. Skip this one if you need something quieter or if you're looking for a smaller capacity. At this price, it's a solid investment for your health and convenience. Now, if the Ninja's noise level bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ninja Blast Portable Blender Black. Next up, we have the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender, which is also priced at $49.99. It's identical to our previous pick, but comes in a sleek black finish. If you want a powerful portable blender that matches your aesthetic, this is worth a serious look. This product addresses your need for convenience and performance. Just like its denim counterpart, it has a powerful motor that can easily handle frozen fruits and ice, blending up to 18 ounces of your favorite drinks. The USB-C rechargeable base gives you the freedom to blend anywhere without being tied to a wall outlet. The self-cleaning feature is a game changer, too. Just add water and a drop of soap, and you're set. With the same impressive 4.2-star rating from over 13,300 reviews, it's clear users love this blender's performance and design. Here's why this matters for you. Blending and drinking from the same vessel means less cleanup and more time enjoying your healthy creations. Now, a few users noted the blender can be a bit heavy to carry around. Here's the thing though, the weight translates to a sturdy build, which is likely to last longer. If you're looking for something ultra-lightweight, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, durable blender for smoothies and shakes. Skip this one if you're seeking a lightweight option. At this price, it offers great value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a unique style. Product number 3, Ninja Blast Portable Blender Lemon Meringue. Now let's talk about the Ninja BC151LB Blast Portable Blender in Lemon Meringue. With a price tag of $49.92, it's another fantastic option from Ninja. If you want a blender that stands out with a fun color while still delivering top-notch performance, this is worth a serious look. The 18-ounce capacity is convenient for mixing a good amount of your favorite drinks. The vibrant lemon meringue color adds a pop to your kitchen or gym bag, making it a stylish choice. Like its siblings, it's USB-C rechargeable, which means you can easily charge it while traveling or at work. The ribbed vessel is designed to create a vortex, ensuring an even blend every time. This model also boasts a 4.2-star rating among 13,300 reviews, showing that users appreciate its reliability and ease of use. Now, some users pointed out that the lid can sometimes be tricky to close securely. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature, and the leak-proof design is a huge plus for travel. This is perfect for you if you love unique colors and want a solid, reliable blender. Skip this one if you need a blender that's easier to use right out of the box. For the quality and performance, the price is more than reasonable. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different in terms of design and functionality, the next product is definitely worth considering. Product number 4, BlendJet 2 Portable Blender. Next on our list is the BlendJet 2 Portable Blender, priced at an incredibly budget-friendly $14.99. This cute little blender comes in a Toy Story Woody design, making it a fun option for both kids and adults. If you want something compact and playful without sacrificing performance, this is worth a serious look. This blender is designed for ice-crushing power with its patented turbojet technology, which means it can handle ice, frozen fruit, and leafy greens effortlessly. It has a 16-ounce capacity, making it just a bit smaller than the Ninja models, but it's perfect for single servings. The USB-C rechargeable feature ensures you get around 15 blends from just 1 hour of charging, which is super convenient. Although it has a slightly lower rating of 4 stars from around 1,900 reviews, many users appreciate its portability and cute design. Now, some users mention that it struggles with tougher ingredients. Here's the thing though, for everyday smoothies and lighter blends, it does just fine and is incredibly portable, making it perfect for on-the-go use. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, compact blender that's easy to take anywhere. Skip this one if you need something that can handle heavy-duty blending. For the price, you really can't go wrong with this option. Alright, if you're looking for something a little more functional and stylish, the next product is going to impress. Product number 5, Nexa Ease Portable Blender. Finally, let's check out the Nexa Ease Portable Blender, which is priced at $40.99. This one is a bit more robust, with a 20-ounce capacity, making it great for larger smoothies. If you want a powerful blending experience in a stylish, practical design, this is worth a serious look. This means it can crush ice and frozen fruits into silky smooth smoothies in just 30 seconds. The blend and pulse modes give you flexibility, whether you're blending soft fruits or tougher ingredients. At 1.87 pounds, it's still easy to carry around, and the insulated sleeve keeps your drinks cold for hours. With a rating of 4.2 stars from around 879 reviews, it's clear that users love its performance and style. Now, some users found the blender a little bulky for travel. Here's the thing though, with that added bulk comes power and durability, making it a great option for those who prioritize performance. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful blender with a larger capacity. Skip this one if portability is your top priority. Considering its features, it offers excellent value for the price. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of portable blenders today. The Ninja Blast in denim blue and black for reliable performance, the fun Ninja Blast in lemon meringue for style, the budget-friendly and cute BlendJet 2, and finally the powerful Nexa Ease for larger needs. Each offers unique benefits, so consider what features matter most to you. Happy blending!